In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add digital camera movement to your boring videos. So let's get into it. Now, once we're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro and it's imported into a sequence, we can now begin with this effect. So as you can see in my example, I have a drone shot of the sea and the camera is pulling up towards the sky. So we're doing a soft zoom out in this shot. Now that looks fine, but we can really emphasize this movement by adding fake digital camera movement. So selecting on the video clip, we're going to go up into video effects in the motion tab, and we'll create a brand new keyframe for the scale and the position. Now pull the cursor back to the very beginning of the shot, and we're going to increase the value of the scale and the position. So we'll pull up the scale to around 130. And there you go. If we play this back, you can see that the zoom out effect from this shot has been emphasized and it is much more dramatic. Now we can also adjust the position, so we can start the shot in a different part of the frame and we can zoom out back into the center. So we'll pull the position across to the top right of the frame. And now if we play this back, you can see that the camera pulls out from this pier and that camera movement is much more dramatic than the original shot. Of course, if you want faster camera movement, then all you need to do is decrease the gap in between those keyframes. So we can just pull those second keyframes near towards the beginning and you have a fast camera movement. Fake camera movement is a really easy trick that you can do to your footage to take your video to the next level. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there. And also, don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.